And what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia B, and it's unboxing week, and I'm really excited about it. We had half of an unboxing week in December, and so this month we are back with full unboxing, and I'm really, really excited. So how many times can I say excited in one sentence? Okay, so today we've got the Quilty Box, and if you know, it does not look normal like the box typically has. It's a white box now, and it's much larger, and this tape all the way across the top says we are committed to cutting our carbon footprint. Watch for our new locally sourced eco-friendly Quilty Box overflowing with fabric, notions, and inspiration. And so yeah, it looks like they're going to be getting new packaging and kind of lessen their carbon footprint, which is fantastic. So let's get this open. Quilty Box is $48 a month is what their subscriptions start at. You can do multi-month subscriptions, and it does make them a little bit cheaper. And if you do those, 5% of those multi-month subscription fees go to Quilts for Kids, which is so, so nice. In each box, you're going to get 2 yards of fabric, a spool of thread, and 1 or 2 notions. And then you also receive a mini magazine called Bundles of Inspiration, where they feature different articles, a featured artist, and different tips and tricks throughout the Bundles of Inspiration. And so that is this time. So this is featuring Elizabeth Olwen from January of 2020. So I won't completely flip through this because I don't want to see what's inside the box, and that's what this does. This tells us what's inside our classic box. The nice thing is about this, your pattern is inside of here because you're always going to get a pattern every month. But not only is the pattern for the classic style box that we're opening today, Quilty Box themselves has several different kinds of boxes. And so like this specific pattern is for the paper piecing box. Well, that's all inside of this Bundles of Inspiration. So you're going to see the same pattern even though you're not getting that box. So that's phenomenal. You're getting multiple patterns in one magazine. So that's why they do value this at $10, because you're getting several patterns inside. So I'm going to put that aside. Okay, right on top here we have paper pieces, the original pre-cut paper pieces for English paper piecing. These are 3/4 inch hexagons, a small pack. It says large and bulk packs available. There are 125 pieces in here. So I would assume that our pattern this month has something to do with paper piecing, which is super fun. All right, and next we have Plan to Quilt. This pocket version of Plan to Quilt, the ultimate project-based calendar, free quilt project organizer, will keep you moving towards the quilting finish line and on to the next project. Done is fun. Very cute. So this is actually, I can't describe the texture. It's not paper. It's not vellum. It's like very, very smooth and soft. I don't know. It's very interesting. So it says Plan to Quilt on the front of it. This is designed and created by Shannon Gilman Orr for surface and sewing pattern designer, creator of Eva Blake's Makery. I think that's what that says. I'm sorry. I have my contacts in today and I don't read well. Okay. Works in progress. So that's the first page. This is super fun. What a great thing to put in a January box. So we've got project names and the next steps that we need to take. So that's the first. Then we've got a quilt planner right here. And this is where we are going to date it, the pattern number, finish size, the difficulty, the project and pattern name, the pattern designer, occasion or event, recipient, and then we've got room for notes. And on the back we have a colorway, main color, second color, background, third color, swatches, wow, stitch numbers. This is super, oh my goodness, this is awesome. And then here's a piece of grid paper. And then grid paper on the back. This is so nice, you guys. Okay, so then we have more quilt plan. Numbers, same, okay. Cool, so this goes all the way through the planner. And they're different colors at the bottom. So you'll notice that this one is red at the bottom. And then the next one is a pretty blue at the bottom. How interesting. Oh, I love this. Wow. Okay. It says, do you struggle choosing your own fabric? Feel confined to designer bundles? Want to understand? Feel confined to designer bundles. So do you ever, I know we get a lot of fat quarter bundles, fat eighth bundles, or layer cakes in subscription boxes. So do you feel confined when you are sewing to stay within that fat quarter bundle or things like that? And some things I make, I do feel that way, that all those fabrics need to stay together and they can't be broken up. Okay. Says, stop making quilt lemons. Quilt lemon, it's a quilt that isn't quite right, just a little color sour, can be sweetened up in a jiffy with lemonade color theory course. Done is fun, but add a little sugar and turn those lemons into lemonade. Cool. So this is a color theory class for quilters, and it gives you some information on that. So we'll put that down below for sure. That's really interesting. This is a really, like, this can be thrown in the purse, and I love this. This is fantastic. All right, and then we've got a fabric bundle here. Very pretty. Love these colors. These are definitely like a kind of 70s vibe. I'm loving that. And then we've got our thread, which is 50 weight Egyptian cotton. And it is Wonderfill Confetti color KT306. So that is beautiful. And then lastly, we have a Quilty Box hexagon 3/4 template. With a 1/4 inch seam allowance drawn on there as well. Well, that is really, really interesting. So I would say that my favorite thing in this box is that Plan to Quilt mini planner. I think that's absolutely adorable. And I am looking in this book to see, okay, so the Good Vibrations fabric bundle from Elizabeth Olwin, that retails for $35. Then we have the Custom Plan to Quilt mini planner that values at $18. The 125 pack of 3/4 inch hexagon paper pieces is $3.75. Then the template for the hexagon template is $6. The thread is $4.99. And then it says our exclusive inbox magazine bundles of inspiration that you're reading right now is $10. So that is really, really interesting. I would definitely say that Plan to Quilt was my favorite thing in this month's box. So let me know down below what your favorite thing is. All right, well, thank you so much for joining us in the hive today, and y'all have a great day.